captain's license.
All right, Vernon. So where are we and where are we going?
We're actually in the jetty, MCRD, San Diego. It is November 10th, and looks pretty good. Winds are calm, waters are calm, but we'll see if the fish are playing. So we'll see. We're headed out. Me and the legendary Jeremy Kabuk, fisherman extraordinaire, and we're headed out to San Diego Bay. We'll see what we catch.
With Vernon Udasco from Hanamalo.
Downside, yeah. Downside. Big difference.
We just got some bait. Looks like some nice size sardines. We'll see what happens. Not gonna stay alive. Oh yeah, light line. No, bass.
Nice.
Oh, it's not bass. It's the kind that rockfish, no?
Oh, scalping.
Scalping, bro. Oh, this is illegal right now. But that's a fucking good size for this fish. 12-pound test, brother. 12-pound test. Okay. Catch and release. Gotta get them. Woo! Yeah.
Nice size.
Oh. What do you think, Vern? Here's my catch and release to the people that watching. Oh shit, almost got my finger. Oh yeah, wants to fight.
Oh, I see.
Calico.
Yeah.
Or spotted.
Look like spotted.
Calico, no?
Yeah, calico back.
Yeah. Hey, Filipino man, I think you get dinner. Let me check the size.
What the heck is that, man?
Light line.
I know.
Number two.
I'm at the rocks, so.
Right. Fish number 2. It's about, I don't know, 13 inches maybe.
Yeah.
Give him.
Nice size.
Kanapa! He got him. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo! Definitely legal.
Legal.
Lift them up. Oh yeah, come close. Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
12 inches.
Oh, more than that.
No?
Okay. Nose to tail. Good.
Yeah.
Ooh. Filipino man gonna be happy.
No, shorty.
You think so? No way.
Yeah, same size. Yeah.
We gonna measure.
Yeah.
Gotta be 13. Oh, it's 14, huh? 14 inch. Alright.
Caliber 22. 14 is, 14. Anything over 14.
Short.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Release. That rock. Fighting.
Yes, they fight, bro.
Oh, we got him then.
I don't know what the fuck, though. They fight them.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, big one. Oh, nice one. Sea bass, bro. Hold on. I got it. Bring him. Hold him right there. Hold on. Okay, stop. Pull him to me. Oh shit! Nice. Vernon's sea bass.
Your rig.
Okay.
Nice color, bro.
Let's just measure just for kicks and giggles. Hey.
24? Oh no, 22.
23. So, white sea bass, 23 inches. Vernon's releasing his white sea bass
Sea bass.
of 23 inches. 1 inch too short for legal size, but it's a beauty. Go ahead, brother. Let him go. And he's gone. Another nice one.
With a pliers.
Pliers right here. Got him.
Yeah.
Pliers.
Good fish tacos, bro.
This fucking thing is barely on. We would have. I caught 2, you caught 3 already.
That's good, though.
Huh?
Much work, bro.
Fuck, that's that?
Yeah.
No, just fillet and throw away the rest. Just watch your hand, yeah? You know this is all over YouTube. You gotta make it look like you know how to take off a fish. Oh, Baga. Swallow again.
Yeah. Can manage. Clam. Look.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, shrimp. Spotty heaven.
Oh, this is a bigger one.
You got the pliers.
Small.
See this? That's the difference. A lot of action, but smaller size, yeah. There. Here. Oh, oh shit. That fucking bird took my bait.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because my whole pole almost went in the water. Ah, YouTube sensation.
Hey, 2 million hits, bro. City boy, city boy.
There you go. There you go. Baby King, Baby King. All right, let's see. Not like Vernon. Small one. Just pulled like a fucking maniac. Oh, you fucker. You tagged me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Got me good. Me and you hit at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah. Look, I don't know. Looks small. Double hit.
Yeah, this one was banging the same time yours was.
Oh,
The bottom too.
oh yeah. No, it's the weight.
I don't have weight on this one.
No?
No.
I got.
No. This one's mine. Okay. Bring them this side, Bernie. We'll go underwater.
Big Marshall.
Huh?
So small.